If you want to learn everything you need to know about succeeding on Amazon, check out the online event, clickboxsummit.com. I'm going to be teaching sellers how to add value to your businesses to sell it, and a huge value. So sign up for the event, learn a ton, and get at least a dozen different $300 value takeaways. clickboxsummit.com, September 20th through the 24th. Winning inauthentic reinstatements has always boiled down to the quality of your invoices. And now what I'm going to talk to you about is another argument that we're finding to be super successful for fast reinstatements with your first plan of action. Before we get there, I want to make sure that you all know that you can submit your case to us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can email me, you can call me on the telephone, and now you can even text me, hey CJ, I need help with an inauthentic. Okay, so what is this great new argument? It's really simple. It's simple genius, and Chris Toomey on our team is a remarkably bright guy, and he argued that the invoices are 100% genuine. They say everything that Amazon is looking for, and also there was a lack of consumer complaints. So Amazon sellers, if you're facing an inauthentic, we write the best plans of action in the world. But if you want to give it a go yourself, you want to show that your invoices are 100% genuine and legitimate, and things like a lack of consumer complaints bolster your argument, and for us at least, it gets us fast reinstatements. If you want to learn more, if you want the latest and greatest information for Amazon sellers, hit the subscribe button right now. Right there, click that button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will receive a notice for each and every video, each and every piece of content that we share with Amazon sellers.